Annex 1, Regulation 31, Oil Discharge Monitoring and Control System. Oil tankers of 150 gross tons and higher must be fitted with an oil discharge monitoring and control system that has been approved by administration, subject to the provision of paragraphs 4 and 5 of Regulation 3 of this annex. Regulation 32, Oil Water Interface Detector. Oil tankers of 150 gross tons and above must be equipped with efficient oil-water interface detectors approved by the administration for a quick and accurate determination of the oil-water interface in slop tanks, and must be available for use in other tanks where the separation of oil-water is affected and from which it is intended to discharge effluent directly to the sea. This requirement is subject to the provision of paragraph 4 and 5 of Regulation 3 of this annex. Regulation 33, Crude Oil Washing Requirements. Every crude oil tanker, as specified in Rule 1.28.4, delivered after 1 June 1982 and weighing 20,000 tons dead weight or more must be equipped with a crude oil washing system for cleaning the cargo tank. 34. Regulation 34. Control of discharge of oil. Any discharge of oil or oily mixture from the cargo area of oil tanker into the sea is banned, subject to the rules of Regulation 4 of this annex or in paragraph 2 of this regulation, unless all of the following conditions are met. Regulation 35. Crude oil washing operation. An operation and equipment manual describing the system and equipments and outlining operational instruction must be delivered to every oil ship use a crude oil washing system. Regulation 36. Oil record book. Every oil tanker of 150 gross tonnage and above shall be provided with an oil record book. Part 2, Cargo Ballast Operation. The oil record book, Part 2, whether as a part of the ship's official logbook or otherwise, shall be in the form specified in Appendix 3 to this annex. Regulation 37. Shipboard Oil Pollution Emergency Plan. Every ship other than an oil tanker of 400 gross tons or more and every oil tanker of 150 gross tons or more must have a shipboard oil pollution emergency plan that has been approved by the administration on board. Regulation 38. Reception Facilities. The government of each party to the present convention under to ensure the provision of facilities for the reception of such residues and oily mixtures as remain from oil tankers and other ships, adequate to meet the needs of the ships using them without causing undue delay to ships at oil loading terminals. Repair ports and other port in which ship have oily residues to discharge. Regulation 39. Special requirements for fixed or floating platforms. The drilling rigs, floating production, storage, and offloading facilities (FPSO) used for the offshore production and storage of oil and floating storage units used for the offshore storage of produced oil are all covered by this rule.